Hello, children. Back again with lesson 4 Grandma's Vegetable Garden. Who do you think Grandma is? Grandma is your mother's mother, will be called as a grandma, or your father's mother will be called as grandma. What do you think vegetable is? Vegetable is a plant used as food. So we use the plant as food. And garden. Garden is a place where we grow plants. It may be flower plants, it may be vegetables, it may be trees or bushes. Before we go to the lesson, I'll give you a small introduction about the lesson. This is a story about a little girl, Asha, and her grandma, who has a vegetable garden with different kinds of vegetables growing in the garden. One day, Grandma tells Asha, please bring some vegetables from the garden. Now, Grandma has a garden, and Grandma is asking Asha to go to the garden and pluck some vegetables to her. Asha takes a big basket and goes out. She brings green peas and purple brinjals. So now what is the girl doing? The girl is taking a big basket. Basket is a container for carrying the things. She is taking that basket and going to the vegetable garden. And what will she bring in them? She will bring green color peas and the purple color brinjals. Grandma says, thank you, Asha. Can you please bring some carrots? We can have some hot soup. Now, what happens? Grandmother is thanking her for bringing the vegetables from the garden, and also she wants her to bring some carrots. So, what is grandmother going to make from carrots? She want to do some soup. What is a soup? Soup is a liquid dish of meat, fish or vegetables. Asha goes out. She looks everywhere. She cannot see any carrots. Now, what is this girl doing? The girl again is going to the vegetable garden. She will look everywhere, but she cannot see the carrots anywhere. Asha goes to grandma. She says, I cannot find any carrots in the garden. Again, the girl is going back and telling to grandmother that, see grandma, I have gone to the garden but I cannot find any carrots in the garden. Grandma says there are many carrot plants in the garden. Look carefully. Now grandmother is asking the girl Asha to look carefully and search for the carrot plants and bring them to her. Asha goes to the garden again. Fluffy, her cat, goes with her. Asha looks everywhere, but she cannot find the carrots. Now, what happened? This girl is going to the garden with Asha, the cat. What's the name of the cat? Fluffy. Fluffy will also go to the vegetable garden with Asha. Asha is looking everywhere, but she cannot find the carrots anywhere in the vegetable garden. Suddenly she hears a loud meow meow. She sees Fluffy digging the ground. She goes close to Fluffy. Suddenly, what happens now? She hears her cat making noise. What noise? Meow, meow noise. She runs to Fluffy. And as she goes there, she will see that the Fluffy is digging the ground. Now, what is this cat doing? The girl is going closer to it. And what does she sees? She sees big orange carrots in the ground. Well done, Fluffy, says Asha happily. Now Asha sees that her cat has taken out carrots, orange color carrots from the ground. Now she's very happy. She is appreciating and telling, "Well done, Fluffy. You have done a very good job. You have found carrots for me." So the girl didn't know where do we grow the carrots and from which part does it grow. So here carrots are grown under the ground. We eat different types of vegetables, and those vegetables which we eat, it's not only will be grown under the ground, it may grow above the ground. Some will be fruits, some will be leaves, some will be stem, some will be under the ground. We should eat lots of vegetables to be healthy. Hope all have understood the lesson, children. Thank you.